Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about new baby cards. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about new baby cards for people who just had a baby. My friend Julie just had a little girl and I wanted to make her a pop-up card to congratulate her because we couldn't do the baby shower thing because of the pandemic. So I came up with this pop-up card. Let me show you what it looks like. The front here says, 2 little hands, 2 little feet, they're always the most precious. And then on the inside, it says, when they sleep. Congratulations on your new baby. Isn't that true? I mean, my husband is that way too. Except he doesn't have tiny hands. He doesn't have tiny feet. But he really is the most precious when he's asleep. You know what I mean? Let's head on over to my blog. I'll show you how to get the file. And then we'll head to Design Space and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, we're here at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to the file library, you can go to the Get Access tab. You fill out a form and you will be emailed the password to get into the library. But for now, we're going to go to the Enter the Library tab. Type in the password and hit Enter. And now we're going to scroll down. Once we're inside where the files are, we're going to find the new baby card. Click that link, download it to our computer, and we can head over to Design Space. In a new project in Design Space, you're going to go to Upload, Upload Image, and browse where you downloaded the file onto your computer, and click Open. You can rename the file if you'd like, and then hit Save. Highlight that image and hit Insert Image. It'll bring it into our canvas. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit here. Alright, first things, we're going to need to ungroup the card because it comes grouped together once you import it into Design Space. Scroll down the Layers panel. We're going to first do the envelope. We want to change the cut line to score line, so change the line type. Highlight the group and click Attach. Bring that out of the way. Scroll down. Highlight the cut line, change that to score. Highlight the group and hit Attach. This is the outside of the card. Scroll down. And now I'm going to change all of the text. I want the machine to draw all of the text. So I'm going to highlight all of the text fields, go to line type and change it to draw, highlight the group that it's in and hit Attach. Bring that over. That's for the top part of the outside of the card, or the overlay. And now for the pop out. Highlight the cut lines, change those to score. Change the text to draw. Highlight that entire group and hit Attach. And you can head up to Make It. You can preview all the mats here and hit Continue. You'll select your materials and then we can get cutting. Okay, for this project we're going to need our green standard grip cutting mat, our cardstock, Cricut pen,
scoring wheel or stylus, the Cricut scraper for folding, and your adhesive of your choice. I'm going to go ahead and cut everything out. I am going to speed up the video though, so that you guys don't have to sit here and watch me cut everything out. Alright, now that we have everything cut out, we're going to start with the little feet. Add some glue to the skin color of the feet. We're going to add the black outline. The tip on my art glitter glue broke, so that's why the glue kind of looks a little globby there. One down. The best part about the art glitter glue is that it dries clear. Well, not the best part. The best part is the fine precision tip. The second best part is the fact that it dries clear. Alright, there we go. Now we can attach the backside of the crib to the slats of the crib. So I'm going to add some crafter's tape to the vertical slats on the back side, which really doesn't matter because it's the same color, obviously, both sides. And add the rectangular piece. I can best describe this as the mattress. There we go. Now let's work on the pop-up part of the card. First, you're going to want to fold it in half. And now with your fingers, you're going to want to fold along the top horizontal and bottom horizontal part of the pop-up. Just be careful because you don't want to press too much into the card. And then bump the pop out. There we go. That's exactly how it should look. Now give it a good press with your Cricut scraper. And the pop-up is complete. If you press a little bit too hard on the edges, don't worry about it, because once it's glued to the outside of the card, it won't matter. Now I'm going to add some adhesive to the riser part of the pop-up and center the crib over that portion. fold it just to make sure everything folds right. And that part is done. Okay, let's attach the feet to the outside of the card. Add a little bit of the crafter's tape. I love this stuff, it's so easy to use. You can place them however you want. Go. Now for the outer layer of the card, fold along the score lines, press with the Cricut scraper, now add some adhesive to the inner card layer. Do one section at a time, don't put glue on both sides. Line up along the score line and then press it down. Lift the outer card layer back up. Add some adhesive to the remaining side. I'm going to add some art glitter glue around where the mobile is cut out, just for extra security. And press the outer card layer down. There we are. Alright, last part of the card is to add the embellishment to the outside of the card. Lay down some adhesive. And position it onto the outside of the card. Alright, that is done. Isn't that cute? Okay, let's do the envelope really quick. And your card is complete.
How cute are these? Aren't they unique? No one else is gonna have anything like this. This is not like your typical go to the store and get this card. I love pop-up cards. They're one of my favorite things to give. Julie actually got this card already. She loves it. She has it in her little keepsake box that she has of all of the things that people have given her. So I think that whoever you make this one for, they'll love it too. If you liked this video, make sure that you hit like and subscribe to my channel. And also head on over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have lots of other craft tutorials, card making, t-shirts, Cricut basics, lots of different things on there. Till next time guys, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you later. Bye.